Hi guys, it's Banjo and I'm going to do a fun video for iMimiWolf. I've been playing Minecraft with iMimiWolf, but I just wanted to let you know she's an awesome person and you should go and definitely check her out and add her on Xbox and stuff like that. So yeah, and you can hear her in the background saying, when I get Xbox Live, when I get Xbox Live. But she actually has got Xbox Live. She has got Xbox Live on iMimiWolf. And I just want to say that you should add her because I'm also, even though we're friends, I'm also her #1 fan. And you can hear her doing a video in the background. So bye bye.